Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my opinion on one of the most debated topics in the tech world, Android versus iOS. It's 2025 and the competition is still fierce than ever, but guess what? For a lot of us, Android still reigns supreme, and I'm here to tell you why. Whether you're all about customization, hardware variety, or just getting the best bang for your buck, Android leads the pack. Let's talk about hardware variety and form factor. Android offers phones for every need and preference. Want a foldable phone like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold or a compact powerhouse like the Asus Zenfone? Android has you covered. Need a headphone jack, SD card slot, or a larger battery? You'll find plenty of options. There are even gaming-focused devices with advanced cooling systems, stylus equipped, fun for productivity, and rugged devices for outdoor use. Meanwhile, iPhone sticks to the rigid design with limited option. If Apple design doesn't suit your need, tough luck. That's what makes Android's diverse ecosystem so much better. That's truly something for everyone. Customization is another area where Android shines and has been shining for decades. Third-party launchers like Nova and Niagara Launcher can change the complete look of your home screen. On the home screen, you can also have widgets, which can show you key information. Android has so much more options for widgets from all different apps. There's different styles, different designs that you can add. You can dive even deeper by changing the icon style, icon shape, icon look, as well as adjusting any kind of font styles that you want. You can even further tweak your notification settings to your preference. You can also use live wallpapers, set custom lock screen shortcuts, modify the system theme to light or dark, or anything in between, making the home screen a pleasant experience. Now, let's talk about sideloading. This is a non-negotiable for me. I like having the freedom to install the apps from Google or Apple wouldn't approve of. With Android, I can load apps to my hot content. On iOS, forget about it. Apple decides what you can and can't install. I'm not okay with that. I want to install apps that can block ads. I want to install apps that have a different Play Store, that provide functionality that isn't approved by the big players. Multitasking has to be one of my favorite features on Android. Allows split screen apps to picture-in-picture mode. It lets you use 2-3 apps at the same time, like watching a video or replying to a message. You can even drag and drop content between the apps, making tasks faster and more easy to use. Apple, on the other hand, lacks a robust multitasking feature. It means iOS still falls short in this area. And how can we forget about Google Assistant? It's smarter, understands context better, and integrates seamlessly with third-party apps, from controlling your smart homes to setting complex reminders. Is mile ahead of Siri, which still struggles with limited responses and functionality. A smarter assistant means a smarter phone, especially with the new Gemini app, is always getting better. File management on Android is like using a PC. You can access all your file systems, move things around, and even plug your phone into the computer and drag and drop files with ease. On the other hand, iOS still makes this a nightmare. Apple hides the file systems from you. Even basic tasks like managing files can feel overly restricted. The main reason for this is Android is a file-based system compared to iOS, which uses sandbox approach. Thus, the sandbox approach will restrict access to certain app data as well as other certain files, thus making it very restrictive compared to Android, which allows internal storage access and access to SD cards. Another big advantage for Android is the price range. Whether you're on tight budget or looking for a premium flagship, there's Android device for you. From affordable entry-level phones to high-level end like the Galaxy series or OnePlus, Android covers every price point. iPhone remains expensive, offering few options with those limited budgets. So there you have it. Why, in my opinion, Android is still the champ in 2025. What do you think? Are you team Android or team iOS? Drop your thoughts in the comment and let's discuss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.